Hey everyone, I hope all of you are doing very well. Today we are here again with the next particular poem of CBSE Flamingo Class 12, and that is A Roadside Stand. This has been written by Robert Frost, so let us begin it. That what is it all about and what is this roadside stand? Okay, so the poem says that a little old house with a new little shed outside is present at the edge of the road where traffic passes by. Now, this shed, what is the shed? It is used as a shop by the people living in the house. Okay, now all the people living in the house they use that shed as a shop. The roadside stand pleads for the traffic to stop by and buy something so that they can earn at least bread for their survival. Now, this shed is referred to as roadside stand, and it's been located at the edge of the road so that people traveling through their cars, their vehicles could stop and buy something, and this would be a source of earning for the people of the house. The poet says that the polished traffic or the rich people traveling in the car pass by without stopping at the roadside stands. And even if they stop, they do it to watch the scenery or have a look at the landscape or maybe check the directions. That is to ask the direction from the shopkeepers. The shop offers wild berries in wooden boxes and crook naked golden squash with fungus on the top of it because no one buys it, so the things are getting rotten. But instead of buying, these people stop by to see the beauty of the mountains. Frost says that these people obviously have money in their pockets, but, but they wish to be mean and cross by. He says that the people stopping and having a close look at the nature does not upset him, but the unsaid sorrows of the people living there upsets him a lot. The people making their roadside stand outside the city and wish to feel the money in their hands. No, it is called city money since the money belongs to the riches of the city. So they want to impart that they wish to become rich like these people of the city. This money will ensure that there is advancement in their lives and they live the life as shown in the movies and films and portraits, the life that the government wishes them to provide. Robert even points out the news of the relocation of deprived people and the fake promises that they were adorned with by the government. They have been shifted to locations near theaters and stores with the promise that they will be looked after. The great good doers are the people who try to do good just for the sake of name and fame, to deprive their to derive their own benefits from it and deprive the people from their basic needs. The benefits that they promise to provide the unprivileged people are enforced upon them by the authorities. These benefits are calculated and forced upon them even if they don't want them. These beneficent beasts of prey sleep all day by stealing the peaceful sleep of the unprivileged people. Working during the daytime and sleeping at night was the pattern followed in ancient times, but now these people are unable to sleep peacefully at night, given the burden of so called benefits enforced upon them by the authorities. He says that he feels the sadness and pain of the people at the roadside stand, and he is thoughtful if he would be able to bear the tireless work they do and all of it goes in vain. Like these people work very hard, isn't it? Yet they get nothing at the end of the day. There is sadness all around the roadside stand. They wish to get customers all day and keep praying for the cars to stop. They pray to hear the brakes of the car and screeches of the tire. But even if they stop by, they just do so to inquire about the prices of the farmers. Some stop to take a U turn and others just ask the way ahead. Some also stop by to ask for gallons of gas despite they not having them. The poet questions them. Do they not see that the roadside stand does not give them a gallon of gas? Like car requires gas, okay? The poet says that the countryside is still far from money and gain. The positive spirit towards life is still missing in the countryside since people don't have an abundant amount of money there. The voice of the country complains of their condition and lack of money. But all of it goes in vain since their voices are never heard. He says that it would bring him such relief to put the pain and miseries of these people away and free them from the unsaid and untalked burden they face in their lives. His emotions drive him to think that this thing, drive him to think of this thing. But the next day, when he gives thought to this with a fresh mind, he realizes that it is impossible for him to put that sorrows away. Okay, he realizes how can someone out of the blue take away all the pain they deal with in their lives. So this is all about this particular poem. In crux, if we talk about it, it's basically saying that the people who are ma- constructing or locating their shops at the countryside on the roads, they generally do not have money. Their petty condition has been discussed there, and the false promises of the government and the wrongdoings of the rich people. This is all that has been discussed here. We are done with this particular work as well. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. Important questions video will be uploaded very soon through YouTube shorts. You can look into that. Till then, all the best. Like, share, and subscribe my channel, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.